Hi, everybody. Today we're going to do a review of all of the letters we have been practicing so far. So if you haven't done the other videos, 1 through 7, you'll want to stop this video and go back to those ones first, because we're going to be reviewing what we did in those videos. And we've done several letters so far. So we're going to start off with some patterns. Make sure you have your dotted line paper. And make sure you have your pencil, that you're holding it with your finger and your thumb. It pinches at the bottom with your other fingers sitting right next to it, close together. All right, so we're going to start with a pattern, and I want you to watch me first. So 2 of the letters we've done at the very beginning were L and I. And remember, an L starts at the very top, and you do a tall down. So it's a tall down from top to bottom. And then the I starts in the middle, and that is a small down. So we do a small down, and then we pick up our pencil and dot the I. Remember, it is a dot, not a circle or some other shape. It is a dot. So then we're going to keep the pattern going. We're going to finger space it, and we're going to do tall down for our L and small down dot for our I. Then finger space, tall down, small down dot. Tall down, small down dot. And I'm going to keep going till I get to the end of my page. And I know that these letters don't have a lot of movements, but you still want to go slowly and carefully, because if you go too fast, that's when they start to get really messy. So go ahead and continue the LI pattern across your page. Hit the pause button now. All right, so you should have done the LI pattern going across your page. Our next pattern is going to be a TF pattern. So remember, the T starts with a tall down, just like the L. We do a tall down. Then we have to pick up our pencil and do a cross. And the cross happens in between the middle and the top. So it's not right in the middle. It's not right at the top. It's in between. Then the letter F, remember the letter F starts right below the top line, and we do a hook. It's a hook down, a hook down. Then we go to the middle and do a middle cross. So here is our pattern. We do a tall down cross, and then we do a hook down cross. Then we pick up our pencil, tall down, cross, hook down, cross. So our TF pattern. You can pause the video and do the TF pattern across your page now, slowly and carefully. All right, the last pattern that we're going to do is 3 letters. So we're going to start with the lowercase d. Remember, lowercase d starts with a hook around. Then we go up, tall, down. Hook around, up, tall, down. Then we're going to do a C, which is a hook around. And then an E, slide, hook around. D, C, E, watch me again. Starting with my D, hook around, up, tall, down. Hook around, slide, hook around. Hook around, up, tall, down. Hook around, slide, hook around. So go ahead and carefully make the DCE pattern now. Now that we've done these patterns and reviewed all of our letters so far, I think we're ready to try doing a few words. So let me erase my board. And just like magic, my board is erased. So the first word that we're going to try, let me show you first. See if you can read this word for me. It's going to start with the letter F. So remember, I hook down, then I have to cross. Small down, dot. Tall down, tall down. Take a look at that word, F-I-L-L. L. Fill. Go ahead and try writing the word fill carefully on your paper. Our next word is a tall down cross, small down dot, tall down, tall down. Rhymes with fill. This is the word till. When you till the soil, you are digging it up from the ground, mixing it up, getting it ready to plant your seeds. Try the word till, and you can pause the video if you need to. And here's our next word. Tall down, small down dot, hook around, up, tall down. L-I-D, L-I-D, lid. After lid, we'll do a hook around, up, tall down, small down dot, hook around, up, tall down, D-I-D, did. So we have fill, till, lid, and did. You can pause the video and make sure you have those words written on your paper neatly. All right, let's get a little bit longer here. Here is my next word. Hook down, cross. We'll do tall down. We'll do hook around, up, small down, tall down, across. F-L-A-T, flat, flat. Remember the A, when you're doing an A, it is a hook around, then we go up, but we stop in the middle, and we do a small down. So it's kind of like a D, except the D goes all the way to the top for a tall down. A's go to the middle for a small down. After flat, let's try hook around, up, small down, tall down, cross. Cat. You can pause the video to make those words. When you're ready for the next word, let's try hook around, up, tall down, hook around, up, small down, tall down, across, slide, hook around. That silent E makes the A say its name. Date. And we'll do one last word. Hook around, up, small down, tall down, across, slide, hook around. A-T-E, 8. You can pause the video to write these words carefully on your paper. And actually, we're going to do 2 more words. So here is the next word. Hook down, across, slide, hook around, tall down, cross. 2 E's together sound like E, eat, feet. You can pause the video to write that word. And our last word is actually going to be a color. Tall down, cross, slide, hook around, up, small down, tall down. EA also sounds like E when it's together. Eel, teal. Teal is kind of a bluish color. After you are finished with all of your words, take a look at them. How do they look? Do they look as neat as mine? Maybe yours look even better as mine. Or maybe there's some that you need to try again, and that's okay. Look at your words carefully. How do they look? If there's any you need to fix, pause the video and fix them up. We want to make sure that we're writing our letters correctly and neatly. Thank you for practicing with me today. Next time we will do a new letter. See ya.